Welcome back to our science vlog. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of living things and their environment. So let's get started. To begin, let's talk about the characteristics of living things. Living things, like this beautiful flower here, have some unique features that set them apart from non-living things. Can you think of any characteristics of living things? Take a moment to think about it. That's right. Living things can grow, reproduce, respond to stimuli, and obtain and use energy. These characteristics help living things survive and thrive in their environment. Speaking of environments, let's explore habitats and ecosystems. A habitat is a place where a particular living thing, like a plant or an animal, naturally lives. Just like how we humans have our homes, living things have their own habitats too. Look at this vast forest behind me. It's home to many different plants and animals. Habitats come in various shapes and sizes, from the colorful coral reefs to the scorching deserts and the lush rainforests. Within these habitats, we find ecosystems. An ecosystem is a community of living things, like plants, animals, and microorganisms, interacting with each other and their non-living environment. It's like a big web of connections. In an ecosystem, living things depend on each other for survival. For example, plants provide oxygen and food for animals, while animals help pollinate plants and disperse their seeds. It's a beautiful cycle of interdependence. But sometimes, living things need to adapt to their environment to survive. Let's take a look at adaptations. Adapting means changing to fit in better with your surroundings. For instance, the polar bear has adapted to its icy habitat by having thick fur and a layer of blubber to keep warm. Adaptations can be physical, like camouflage or specialized body parts, or behavioral, like migration or hunting strategies. They help living things find food, protect themselves, and reproduce successfully. That's all for today's vlog on living things and their environment. We've explored the characteristics of living things, habitats, and ecosystems, and how living things adapt to their environment. It's truly amazing how everything is connected in nature. But wait, before we wrap up, let's have some fun with a quick quiz to test your knowledge. Are you ready? Here we go! Question 1. What are the characteristics of living things? A. Growing and shrinking. B. Dancing and singing. C. Reproducing and responding to stimuli. D. The correct answer is C. Reproducing and responding to stimuli. Great job if you got that right. Question 2. What is a habitat? A. A cozy home for living things. B. A wild dance party. C. A magical potion. D. A taste. The correct answer is A. A cozy home for living things. Keep up the good work. Question 3. How do living things adapt to their environment? A. By wearing stylish outfits. B. By using superpowers. C. By changing to fit in better. D. The correct answer is C. By changing to fit in better. You're on a roll. Fantastic job, science enthusiasts. You've aced our quiz. I hope you enjoyed learning about living things and their environment as much as I enjoyed teaching it to you. Remember, science is an exciting adventure that surrounds us every day. Keep exploring, observing, and asking questions. Stay curious, and I'll see you next time for more thrilling science explorations. I hope you enjoyed learning about this topic as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. Stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll see you next time for more exciting science adventures. Remember, science is all around us.